If you've ever tried researching a topic on Instagram, exploring what a place has to offer, finding local small businesses that are active on social media, scavenging for niche creators, or discovering relevant hashtags, you know it's slow, messy, and often completely manual. So today, I want to walk you through one of the tools on Apify Store that pretty much fixes all of that: Instagram Search Scraper.
Instagram search scraping is essentially discovery. It's about researching a topic and everything that could be directly related to it: hashtags, users, tagged places, and popular reels. It's about finding the people who post about it, seeing the locations they tag, understanding the hashtags they use, and finding the reels on the topic that are getting the most traction. This scraper can help you automate that entire discovery process, and it does it in 4 directions: places, profiles, hashtags, and popular reels.
Instagram Search Scraper lets you pull results directly from Instagram Search. No login cookies, no browser extensions, and most importantly, no tedious manual scrolling.
You just enter a keyword, pick whether you want to discover places, profiles, hashtags, or popular reels, and the scraper does the rest.
Think of it as your Instagram discovery engine. You give it a topic, something like travel, running club, or even nail salon Prague, and it uncovers everything Instagram thinks is relevant around that topic. And depending on what you choose, the research can branch out in a number of different ways. But in general, people use this scraper for things like researching tagged places, as well as local businesses that are active on Instagram, discovering creators, entrepreneurs, and influencers of a certain niche that are active on Instagram, discovering hashtags, their volume, and relatedness. So how do we use this tool to get the data we want? Once you're logged into your Apify account, open Instagram Search Scraper.
You'll see 4 input options: places, profiles, hashtags, or popular reels.
From there, you just enter your search terms, one keyword or many. Examples: street photography, nail salon Prague, travel, vegan restaurants London. Then you choose which mode you want, set how many results you'd like, and hit start.
That's all there really is to it. But if you want even more accurate search, click the Scrape with Live Search toggle. This way, you'll get Instagram's native results straight from Instagram's own search, just how you'd see it in the app.
If you know you'll run this more than once, I'd recommend saving your input as a task, as it will save you time later. Once you hit start, you'll see the scraper running live. When it finishes, just open the dataset to see the results. Depending on what you selected, you'll get lists of places plus full location details, profiles plus follower stats plus URLs, hashtags plus usage metrics. All of this is structured, so you're not stuck scrolling through the app or guessing how things relate. When your run is complete, click Export to download your dataset. You can choose CSV, JSON, Excel, or NDJSON, whatever works best for your workflow. Export only the fields you care about and load them into Google Sheets, Excel, Notion, Power BI, your CRM, or anything. Now here's where the workflow really starts to expand. Instagram Search Scraper is your starting point. Once you find interesting places, profiles, or hashtags, you can dig deeper with the rest of the Instagram tools. For example, use Instagram Profile Scraper to extract full profile details and posts for any profiles you discovered. Use Instagram Hashtag Scraper if you want the examples of reels and posts behind the hashtags you found, or use the Related Hashtag Scraper to go even deeper and see examples of only recent or top posts under those related hashtags. And if you'd like to scrape found tagged locations in more detail, go for our Instagram Scraper. So basically, use Search Scraper for discovery and then the other scrapers to analyze. If you prefer automation or you're building something custom, open the API tab and you'll see code snippets ready to go: Node.js, Python, and Curl. This way, you can tie the scraper into dashboards, data pipelines, AI agents, marketing tools, CRM enrichment. And if you're working with LangChain or Claude or any MCP-based setup, you can connect the scraper through an MCP server too. And that's all for Instagram Search Scraper, one of the most versatile Instagram scraping tools on Apify Store. It helps you research any topic across tagged locations, profiles, and hashtags, and gives you clean, structured data to build on. Go to Apify Store to try it out and get your first dataset for free. If this tutorial helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe, and click that bell so you don't miss future scraping guides. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all the likes.